Mahaganaadhipataye Namaha. Good evening. Good evening to all. Sumukha Santoshini. Good evening. Am I audible? My voice clear, children? Okay. Sumukha, you didn't take membership till now? Nirma, Bhashita, Aniket. మీరు ఎవరు మెంబర్షిప్ తీసుకోలేదా ఇంతవరకు? ఓకే. So meanwhile, there is a problem on the board. Kindly see everyone. See the problem on the board, children. Given triangle ODC similar to OBA. Triangle ODC similar to OBA. And we need to find out angle DOC, this angle, DCO, and OAB, this angle. Okay, na? I'll mark those angles. We need to find out this angle, and this angle. Okay. Proof. Given triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA, it is given. That means its corresponding angles are equal. Its corresponding angles are equal. Okay, na? Before that, we can observe over here, if this is 125, this will be 55, because both form linear pair of angles. Angle BOC 55 given, then angle DOC will be 55, because we can observe linear pair of angles over there. Okay, na? Next one, ODC angle. If this is 55, this is also 55. Vertically opposite angles, you can say, are again linear pair of angles with 125. Now, angle sum property of triangles, this angle will be 55. By angle sum property of triangles, this angle is 55. Okay, now since angle ODC and OBA are similar, this angle equal to this angle by CPST. Angle OCD equal to angle OBAB by CPST. Corresponding parts of similar triangles. Okay, na? If this is 55, this is also 55 because triangle ODC similar to OBA. So this angle equal to this angle. Okay, na? So the problem is done. Once again, given this is 125 degrees, then if this is 125, this is 55, linear pair of angles. And if this is 125, this is also 55, either linear pair or vertically opposite angles. And then 70 plus 55, 125, then this will be 55 by angle sum property of triangles. If this is 55, this is also 55 because these two triangles are similar. Angle OCD and angle OAB are equal by CP/ST. So this angle will be 55 degrees. Okay, na? Very good, Jaspal and Hemachandra. Two new students joined today. And even Tanush also. I think you three will be there at the end, up to end of the class. Is that right? Yeah, next question. Question number 3. ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC, diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at O. Okay. Using similarity criteria, we have to prove that, required to prove OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. This is the problem. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC. Given AB parallel to DC. And what we have to prove? OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Okay. Now, how to prove this problem? How to prove? See here, OA means this one, this one. OC, this one. OB, this side. OD, this side. I am not marking OA, OB, OC, OD. Sorry, I am marking them. Don't feel that they are equal. Just I am marking them. Okay, na? Now, if you see these four sides, OA, OB, OC, OD, they are representing two triangles, two pairs of triangles. One is this pair and the other one is this pair. Okay, na? One is this pair and the other one is this pair. If we prove any one of these pairs are similar, then the problem is done. Okay, na? Sir, diagonals in a trapezium are equal if it is isosceles. It is not given. Isosceles trapezium, it is not given, na? మీరు ఇక్కడ మెయిన్ పాయింట్ వదిలేస్తున్నారు. You are leaving the main point over here. The four sides here given in the RTP The four sides given in the RTP, they are representing two pairs of triangles. One is this pair, the other one is this pair. Okay, na? If we prove either this pair or this pair, if they are similar, the problem is done. Now tell me which pair is similar. Out of those two pairs of triangles, which pair is similar? Either this pair or this one. Which is similar? What is my question and what is your answer, students? AOD, COB. Sohaili, how they are similar? Please tell me. Which criteria? AOD, COB, which criteria? Lisa also said the same. SIS criteria. నేను ఇప్పుడే చెప్పాను. I told you now that I am marking to represent them, not don't feel that they are equal. Okay, then I'll do one thing. I'll take out these markings. They are not equal. They are not equal. Now tell me. These four sides, they are representing two pairs of triangles. Two pairs. Which pair that we can prove similar? And by which criteria? Hasini says DOC and AOB. Aniket, you are not saying the pair. Which pair is similar? AOD, BOC are similar? Okay, AOD, BOC. Bashita, you tell me how they are similar. How? I am selecting this pair. I am selecting AOD and BOC. Vertically opposite angles are equal. What is another angle that is equal, Bashita? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Only that. What is the other pair of angles that are equal in those two triangles? Alternate interior angles. Did these two lines are parallel? These two lines are parallel. Is it given? These two are parallel. AB and DC are parallel. AD, BC are not parallel. So if any student consider these two triangles to prove this problem, that is wrong. You have to select this pair, AOB, COD. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal over AA similarity. OAB, OAD na. How they are similar then, Aniket? How they are similar? Sir, we can take two triangles OAB, OAD, then it will be easier. How? Same triangles. Now, how can you say these two triangles are similar? Moreover, you are missing on one more side OC. You are missing one more side OC, na there. How can you take these two? Which are the angles equal? Alternate interior angles, vertically opposite angles. Done. Double A similarity. 1, 2, 3, 4. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Vertically opposite angles. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Alternate interior angles because AB parallel to DC. So by AA similarity, triangle AOB similar to triangle COD. Triangle AOB similar to triangle COD. So now write AO by CO is equal to BO by DO by CPST. Problem done. AO by CO is equal to BO by DO. Problem done. Okay na? We need to take only this pair, not this pair. Double A similarity, not SAS. Question number 4. Question number 4. Yeah, Machi. Time dandaga. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Yes. What is given? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. This is given and required to prove triangle PQS similar to triangle TQR. Yeah. Right. What is given? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. And not only that, QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. Okay na? Now, proof. Children, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 given na? If angle 1, Now kindly see, angle 1 and angle 2 lies in which triangle? Angle 1 and angle 2, they lies in which triangle? They are the angles of which triangle? They belong to which triangle? Many questions. PQR, very good. That means PQR is an isosceles triangle, is that right? Angle 1 and angle 2 belong to a triangle PQR. That means they are, means the triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle, is that right? So, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 implies PR is equal to PQ. Is it right? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, which reflects or which implies PR is equal to PQ. Now, in this ratio, QR by QS is equal to QT by, in the place of PR, I can replace with PQ. Is that right? PR will be replaced with PQ because they are equal. Now, try to see this ratio, children. Try to see this ratio. QR by QS is equal to QT by QP. PQ, QP both are same, na? PQ, QP both are same. Now, draw this triangle separately. PQS. PQS and TQR. TQR. Now try to see this ratio in these triangles. Try to see this ratio in these two triangles. QR by QS is equal to QT by QP. QT by PQ. Okay. And in both the triangles, angle Q is common. Is that right? In both the triangles, angle Q is common. మళ్ళీ నేను చెప్తున్నాను, ఇలా నేను మార్క్ చేస్తున్నానంటే అర్థం ఆ రేషియోస్ని మార్క్ చేస్తున్నాను అంతే. డోంట్ టేక్ దెమ్ యాజ్ ఈక్వల్, డోంట్ టేక్ దో సైడ్స్ యాజ్ ఈక్వల్. వన్స్ అగైన్ ఐఎమ్ రిపీటింగ్, జస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ QR by QS, just I am marking that one, that's all. QT by PQ. అంతేగాని ఇక్కడ సేమ్ మార్కింగ్ ఉంటే డోంట్ టేక్ ఇట్ యాజ్ దే ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. Once again I am repeating, here QS and QT are having same marking, don't feel that they are equal. Just I am mentioning that ratio in the figure. I am mentioning that QR by QS with the same marking, that's all. Don't take them as equal. And QT by PQ, they are equal, and angle Q is common in both the triangles. So by SEIS similarity, triangle PQS similar to triangle TQR, that's all. By SEIS similarity, triangle PQS similar to TQR. Simple question, very simple question. SEIS similarity. Okay na? Can I take it out? Question number 5 now. Question number 5. There is a triangle PQR there is a triangle PQR. S and T are the points on side PR and QR, such that S is on PR, S is on PR, T is on QR, such that angle P and angle RTS are equal. Angle P, RTS, this one. RTS, this angle and this angle are equal. Show that triangle RPQ similar to triangle RTS. Yeah. There is a triangle PQR, S is on PR, point S is on PR, T is on QR, ST is joined, angle P is equal to angle RTS. These two angles are equal. And we need to prove angle RPQ triangle is similar to triangle RTS. How they are similar? By which criteria? If you don't understand the combined figure, draw the figure separately. Draw the figure separately. Triangle PQR. STR. Angle P is equal to angle RTS. These two angles are equal given. What else? What else? Angle R is common angle. Angle R is common angle. Proof. Angle P is equal to angle RTS. Given. Angle R is common in both the triangles. Angle R is common in both the triangles. So by AA similarity, triangle RPQ similar to triangle RTS. Triangle RPQ similar to triangle RTS. Okay na? Simple problem. See, if you don't understand the combined figure, try to draw the figure separately, two figures, two triangles separately, which we have to prove similar. Okay na? Then the problem will be, you can see it as easy. Angle R common. Next question. Next question. Question number 6. There is a triangle ABC, ADE, BE joined, even DC is also joined, and what is given? Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. And what is required to prove? Triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. Simple question. What is given, children? Triangle ABE congruent to ACD. Observe triangle ABE in the figure. Triangle ABE. See the triangle in the figure. ABE congruent to ACD. And what we have to prove? Triangle ADE similar to ABC. Okay. Now, proof. Given triangle ABE is congruent to ACD. Is that right? So, from this, what we can write? AB is equal to AC and BE is equal to CD and AE is equal to AD by CPCT. Is that right? Since triangle ABE and ACD are congruent, by CPCT what we can write? AB is equal to AC, BE is equal to CD and AE is equal to AD. Okay na? Now, can I say that AD by AB is equal to AE by AC? Is the statement right, children? If you say right, you need to give the reason. Is AD by AB is same as AE by AC? Is that statement right? If it is right, tell me why. If it is wrong, no. Corollaries, you cannot mention that one here. Vanshita, Vasanti, no. You cannot mention BPT also because DE parallel to BC is not given. You cannot mention BPT. You cannot mention corollaries of BPT over here. DE parallel to BC and Ivvaledu. How can you mention BPT or corollaries of BPT? Proportions of sides, sir. It is correct as AD is half of AS. Where is AS? Ra? AS le. Now observe this. These points. AB and AC are equal. AE and AD are equal. Equals are divided. Equals are divided with equals. Equals are divided with equals. The quotients are equal. AD and AE are equals. AB and AC are equals. Equals are divided with equals. Quotients are equal. Now, draw triangle ADE and ABC separately. AD by AB equal to AE by AC and angle A common in both the triangles. This side by this side equal to this by this and angle A common. Angle A common in both the triangles. SAS similarity. by SAS similarity, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Okay na? Yeah, SAS criteria. Okay, so 6 problems are done. Remaining 9 problems are there. We get to see it tomorrow in the class. Either tomorrow morning or by tomorrow evening this chapter will be done. Either in the morning or in the evening this chapter will be done. And the day after tomorrow, that is on Friday, I'll start circles. You can leave. Everyone can leave the class. Thank you. Dhanyavad.